What's going on, you guys? The Fiery Flame here, and in this video I want to explain to you why I destroyed Tomato Boy's phone. I destroyed Tomato Boy's phone because he never joins me in any of my videos. That's why in my last video I had to destroy his phone, and I really do apologize for that. It wasn't my fault, it was Tomato Boy's fault that I had to destroy his phone. See the destruction on Tomato Boy's phone? See how bad the destruction is? This is how bad the destruction is. And I'm sorry you had to see that. But that's what Tomato Boy gets for not being with me in my videos. But I still care about Tomato Boy. And I feel quite ashamed that I had to do that to Tomato Boy. Because I felt kind of bad I had to do that to Tomato Boy, and Tomato Boy never has that happens to him. And I'm thinking about creating Tomato Boy his own YouTube channel so that he can get caught up on stuff. Now I'm gonna give Tomato Boy my Cool Zachary YT account, and that's gonna be his YouTube channel. So yeah, that's gonna be his YouTube channel. Now I don't know how much he's gonna be posting, but I do know that he's gonna be posting a lot, and Tomato Boy really is gonna enjoy that. And in Tomato Boy's videos, he's gonna he's gonna upload like lots of videos. And tonight, I'm gonna give Tomato Boy my YouTube channel. And if you're not familiar with Tomato Boy, here he is. So, Tomato Boy, I'm gonna give you your own YouTube channel. So, do you like that idea? Okay, Tomato Boy likes the idea that I'm gonna give him his own YouTube channel. Now, I don't know how much he's gonna be posting on it, but I do know that he's gonna be posting on it a lot. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna go now.